I'll show you how you can make your iPhone louder. If you found this guide useful, then please consider subscribing, and once you've done that, then please consider leaving a like, and let's get right into this guide. Make sure you watch this full video because I'm going over multiple different fixes. So the first one may seem pretty obvious, but do just make sure you've got your iPhone volume all the way up. To go and check this, what we can do is either use the side buttons or go and open up the control center by dragging down in the top right on our battery, and then go over to the right where you've got the brightness and volume control and make sure that it's all the way to the top, just like so. The next thing I recommend doing is checking your headphone safety settings. If you're using headphones, there may be a safety feature enabled. So go and open up your settings, and then what you need to do is go into sound and haptics just here, and then at the top you've got headphone audio and headphone safety. So tap there and you may go and have this option here toggled on, which is reduce loud sounds. So as you can see, it says your iPhone can analyze headphone audio and reduce any sound that is over a set decibel level. So of course this feature is quite good because it can protect your ears, but if it's annoying, you can try turning it off just like so. Now, another thing you can go and try is checking your specific music app settings. For example, the Apple Music app is going to have its own settings as well as Spotify, and I'll quickly show you them now. So to go and access your Apple Music settings, all you need to do is go and scroll down like this, and so you're going to see the music app option just here, tap on it. And then what you need to do is go down to audio and go and click on EQ, so tap there. So you can go through these to find one of the loudest ones. The one I found was late night, and that definitely made Apple Music louder, so you could try that one there. So just click on it like that and see if it makes any difference. And if you're using an app like Spotify, all you need to do is go and open it up like this and then go to your homepage. Then go and click on the gear or cog icon in the top right. And what you need to do is in your settings is go and locate playback just like this. And what you then need to do is scroll down to volume level. And as you can see, there are 3 different settings: quiet, normal, and loud. So what you need to do is go and choose which one you'd like. If you want it to be loud, I'm assuming you want to try loud, and then go and see if that makes a big difference. If you're still finding your iPhone volume is too low, then what you should do is just make sure nothing is blocking the speakers on your iPhone. Sometimes muck and things like that in your pockets may go and block up the speaker ports, so make sure they're all free and not blocking any of the sound which may be coming out. If they're all free, then what could be worth trying is by getting a Bluetooth speaker or maybe more powerful headphones, because then you'll be able to go and increase the volume using something other than your phone. So I hope one of these methods did work for you. If they did, please go down below and consider leaving a like. Peace.